Hello everybody. I'd like to introduce you to my 1992 Chevrolet Corsica. You may have seen videos on it before, or I don't remember what I've done on it. Yeah, here it is. It ain't the prettiest thing in the world, but good thing it was an old lady car, so it's a cream puff on the inside, right? Yeah, nope, not a chance. Anyway, I wanted to make this video about looking under the back seat, because it is a 30-year-old car. There could be plenty under the back seat. I think I'm like the 4th or 5th owner. Who knows, right? So the driver's seat, pretty easy to get under because the rear seat bolts are rotted out. Pretty filthy. Not much back in there. There's a lifesaver, so that's cool. I'm going to leave that there, though. Here's what I did get out of... I don't fit back here very well, but here's what I did get out of the driver's seat. I got a brand new McDonald's toy for Finn from Star Wars. This is a few years old. I might toss that up on eBay. I got this full pack of buttons here. LaMode buttons. 60 cents, I think they were. I don't know, probably from the 90s or 90s. Because it says on the back, choice of smart women. And they're definitely not modern. Because, yeah, I found these. Don't know what they are for. Probably more jewelry stuff. I got this purple bushing. Don't know what I'd use that for, but hey, you never know. And I got this interesting wood block. I don't know. Anyway, I got some change. And then the garbage is pretty interesting. The stuff that I'm tossing. Super 8 pen. But the cap's off it, so it's garbage. And this right here, buckle and belt set for women. Yeah. Just kind of old. There's no scan on it. Like this has been in the car for a long time. Kind of old school. It wouldn't make sense if it's from the original owner because the original owner wrecked it, and if it's a woman, makes sense. Anyway, let's ignore that. Let's reach under the passenger seat completely blind. Hope there's no rodents or anything living in here. I have no reason to believe that, but you just never know. I've had bad luck with it. So we're just gonna, in real time, reach my hand under here until I feel something. Oh, bingo, we got action. Garbage. Is this for a MP3 player? What the hell? Oh my God, this is for that thing. I have no clue what that thing is until now. Go hands free. It's for a pop socket. You slide a pop socket. Okay, that's epic. An open thing of gum. I did find a whole pack of Wrigley's Spearmint gum back on the driver's seat too. Lots of gum in this car. There was even gum when I bought it. In the driver's side pocket there was gum. So just lots of stuff. Ooh. Oh, we got saltines, baby. Brand new saltines. If a single person, it takes a single person to comment, and I will eat these. We'll save those. Hand sanitizer? This is definitely driven by a woman. An elderly woman at that. Premier Bank. Do we think it still works? Here's a straw that I didn't even, with black mold on it, that I didn't even realize I just grabbed out. How many two hands? The pen does work, because it was closed, so it gets to live on. By the Stevie Wonder CD. Oh yeah, this car does not have a CD player, but I bought a Stevie Wonder CD one day and I've nowhere better to put it. So, Sour Patch Kid. I'm not going to eat that unless Mr. Beast wants to give me some money. Whoa, a Pepsi. May 4th of 2020. We just celebrated May the 4th be with you a couple days ago. Wow. Lightly drinking Pepsi. Don't know if I'll drink that. I'm gonna toss that. Let's see what else. Oh, what do we got here? Another Walmart bag that's probably from me. So just leave that. Oh, okay, we got. I don't know if there's much else under. Ooh, plumber's tape. A small piece of plumber's tape. I'm gonna keep that around because I'm a hoarder. I can't get my hand under here that well. All right, I had to go there. The umbrella got blown over. Straw, throw away. Gum wrapper, throw away. Bread tie, throw away. The plumber's tape from earlier. Where's what I just wanted? A drill bit, which also very well could be from me. Because before I daily drove this, I kind of just hoarded a bunch of crap up there and it fell over one day. And I'm pretty sure that's where that's from. But the plumber's tape is new. This is my change jar, by the way. 36 bucks out of that change jar one day. It wasn't even full. Keep a change jar, folks. Man, I'd be a good colonoscopy doctor. Okay. Woo! Tootsie Rolls. My fat ass should not have ran back up here. Because now I'm just breathing. Is this a tooth? What is this? Piece of plastic? I don't know. Let's hope it's not like a fake tooth or something. I found a mouth guard earlier, but by the time I touched it, it was too late. So I just, yeah. Well, I think that's pretty much it. Unless you guys can see something. I do see something. What is that? I don't know. We'll leave it. We'll leave one thing under the seat. So that's it. That's what's underneath the seat of a 30-year-old car, of a 92 Chevy Corsica. Very little of it's worth keeping. I probably should just throw away the buttons and pretty much everything I found except for the chain. But I'm too cheap for that. So here is our yield. I think the Pepsi was the best find personally, but it's got to go. Now, do I separate the recycling? Yeah. Most of that was recyclable. All right. Thanks for watching. I might do a video on the water pump in this car. I don't know. So, yeah. Don't stick your hands in there without gloves, by the way. There's something sticky under my nail. That's gross. The Holy Bible.